here's how to set up a TikTok shop or how to easily make money with TikTok shop. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on how you can do this. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is really a step-by-step method. So make sure you watch each and every move carefully so you don't miss out any single detail. So first of all, you have to go to TikTok. So when we go to this app and skip everything because the account is pretty new, but when you're here, just go to your profile. Now when you're on your profile, you got main stuff right over here. So you have to go to those three dots under your battery or top right corner. So when you click over there, you get three options over here, but you have to go to settings and privacy. So the first thing is you have to make sure that your account is public. So how do you make your account public? So go to privacy, and here you will see a lot of settings. So it's up to you which one privacy setting you want, but the first setting is private account. So make sure that your account is public, or you can set up a shop without a public account. So I'm gonna make my private account into a public account by simply tapping on this blue icon. So as you all can see, it's telling me switch to public account ? Anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Yeah, that's what we want, because we want to promote our TikTok shop and make money off it. So yeah, we want to do that and press switch. It will take 2 seconds. Now there we go, we got our account is officially public now. We go back, and now we're on settings, these over here. As you all can see, I made my account public, and I'm getting a lot of followers. I don't know why. But when you're here, or either let's say you've made your account public but you don't know, you simply have to go back over there and go to settings and privacy and go back to account. Now you don't have to go to privacy, just go to account. Now when you go to account, you get many options over here. So you have to switch your account to business account. So how do you do that? So you go to switch to business account, click on this arrow, and now we're here on this business account tab. Now it's telling me, hi, my name, welcome to business account. With the business account, you'll get more business features in Business Suite. Yeah, that's what we want. Your existing videos and content will be affected. So alright, press next. Now it's telling me learn about your audience, track your video performance, and get engagement insights from analytics. Yeah, we want analytics and engagement insights. Press next, and it's telling me reach more people. So that's the most important and really important part. Now it's telling me grow your brand and business via promotions and contact channels. So this is called the affiliate marketing. That's basically what you're gonna do on your shop. So press next, and access conversation tools, so it will help us do more business and give us more business tools. It will improve it basically. Yeah, we want that. Press next. Now you have to choose your category over here. So there are many categories over here, just like art and craft, automotive or transportations, baby, beauty, clothing and accessories, education and training, electronics, finance, or food and beverage, gaming. So there are many types of categories, as you all can see, but we want what we want to select. Let's say, so yeah, and the one interesting thing about is that if you choose your category in finance and investing, so you'll get more money. I don't know, people talk about this often. They say if your category is in finance and investing and you make videos about them on TikTok and promote also the finance investing stuff on your shop, you get more money. But I don't know, I haven't tried it, but might be true. But we're gonna select gaming, cause that's I know gaming, and press next. Now we have to add our email, because when you add your email, your customers will be able to contact you directly. But I don't have to set up my email address right now, but you can add it later and whenever you want. Press skip. Now it's telling me my profile is completed, and it's telling me to create a video. So when you make a business account, it will ask you to make a video. So I'm not gonna make a video now because I don't want to. I'm gonna press maybe later, and now it's telling me you're all set. Now you can access more tools to better connect with your customers, grow and your business. So my business account, I've switched to business account. That's it. Now what we have to do is go back there, and as you all can see, I have a new option right now called Business Suite. But before that, we're gonna go to Creator Center and do some settings over here. So as you all know, I told you earlier about analytics. So analytics is very important if you want to make money and have a shop. So when you go over there, you have to make sure that your analytics is there, but for that you have to make a video for that. So it's important that you make a video for your analytics and watch public, and make sure the public watches your video and you get to know about your analytics. But if you got any other problem and need more help, so there is a tool called Creator Portal. Just go over there and you'll learn a lot about the on TikTok. So getting started on TikTok, TikTok creation, essential foundation for success, TikTok content strategy. There are many, but if you want, especially if you want to earn, just go to over here, this one, just like saying getting paid to create. But we don't want to stay here, we have to make our shop. We have done the 50%, but we have to do it all together. We go back and go back to the 3 lines and go to Business Suite. So when we're here, now as you can see, it's telling me to get insights from branded content. First of all, we'll go to business content, and as you all can see, manage your creator collaboration in one place. Track all existing partnerships between you and your sponsored contacts. View all past and current tagged create or collaborations. Analyze performance with detailed data from each post. Use creators to create Spark ads. So that's we really want. Just press next. Now it's telling me how to use business content. So make sure you read all this. So I'm gonna read it out and explain. Step 1. Make sure creator tags your business account in their video and turn on branded content and ad authorization. So the first step is telling us that when you make a ad video or something related to your shop, you have to turn on branded content or ad authorization. That's how TikTok will know that that's a video for your shop or ad authorization. After that, when you're done, just step 2, approve creators in your business partners. So you will get many creators, so just approve them in business partners. And the third and the last step is you can access data from these videos and you can use them to create Spark ads. So yeah, get started. Now we are here. Now we have to approve creators. So I don't have any creators right now, but when you approve creators and check out your data inside, and there we go, we have our content now. And when we go back to business content, there y'all can see I have no business branded content. But when you do all this, you've basically done it. Now you can just make your creative hub and upload your own videos just like that. I had the gaming niche category and everything is uploaded. But when you do all this and upload the videos and everything I told you earlier, you will get an option of TikTok shop. Just go to TikTok shop and you'll see it will ask you for your details, just like your ID card and numbers and your city address and something like that. When you put all these, you'll get an option of shop in right over here. So there is no option for me right now, but when you do all these steps, you'll get it. So yeah, that's basically it on how to set up a TikTok shop and how you can easily make money with TikTok shop. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.